Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Halcyon Beach. Now this particular category is a beachfront honeymoon butler room, and it combines all the things that I love about Sandals. You got the incredible butler level service, you have your own private plunge pool, and you're just a couple steps from the beach. Let me show you what the room's all about. As soon as you enter the room, you've got a writing desk on the side here. They have two US plugs, USB chargers, and also a UK plug there as well. Sometimes I'll bring an extra adapter so that I can utilize all the plugs in the room. Now this is a writing desk. You'll see you have your in-room dining menu here, 24-hour room service as part of your butler level experience. Now there's several amenities in the room that we'll talk about being butler level, but I did want to mention that before you even arrive, we're going to do a special preference sheet. We'll coordinate all that with you and the butler so they know exactly who you are, what you're celebrating, and they can make it incredibly special for you. In addition to that, as soon as you arrive, they're going to bypass the main check-in area, and they're going to take you right here to your room to complete the check-in process. They'll be available to you throughout your stay for things like reserving a chair down on the beach, have a cooler that's completely stocked exactly to your preferences, so you can head down there whenever you're ready instead of waking up earlier. Now in the room itself, I'm going to point out the first of the butler level amenities. You've got the full-size liquor bottles. I also mentioned the 24-hour room service, and we'll get to a few more as we go. You'll see that you have a large king-size bed in the room, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts, and on the other side of the bed you have a Bluetooth speaker with a couple USB charging stations and another UK plug as well. Before we head in there, I just wanted to point out you got a little peekaboo area for the shower, so if you want a little extra privacy, you could just close that right off. Now directly across from the bed, you're going to have a flat panel TV. You can stream from your own devices, you can watch television, or of course it's interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the resort. And one other thing that I wanted to mention, up above you have a fan. I love that they have that in the sleeping areas. So you have a nice reading chair in the corner here. You have a little bit more storage underneath. You're gonna have a coffee maker and a tea kettle. You can make your own coffee and tea in the morning if you like, or you can have your butler arrange to have that delivered. Just underneath, you're gonna have a mini fridge. In there, it's gonna come fully stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. Just through the door here, and this does close off for privacy, you're gonna find your bathroom. To the left is where you'll find the storage. You have robes and slippers, another one of those great butler level amenities, extra pillows, blankets, towels for your private pool outside. You've got your safe big enough for a laptop, scale underneath there, and tucked around the corner, you're gonna have an iron, an ironing board, and a golf umbrella. Now we're in the main part of the bathroom. You've got your large vanity right here, magnifying mirror, and a large backlit mirror as well. You've got your full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you want to see every single spot on this beautiful resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour where you can see the beach, the pools, and all of the fantastic restaurants. Continuing on through the space, you've got your toilet tucked around the corner, and then in here you have a very large shower. I'm a big guy, I really appreciate the size. Shower head right here, and that perfect place for those bath amenities to the side. Now we're just outside in your private pool sanctuary. You'll see you have that beautiful pool with the waterfall right there. You're gonna have a bench seat on the far side. You've got your stairs in, and these fantastic loungers that are angled into the water so you can dip your toes in the water to cool off. Just behind me, you're gonna see a table and two chairs. That's that perfect place to take advantage of your 24-hour complimentary in-room dining. And on the other side, you're gonna have the drying rack. You can put your towels, your suit when you come out of the pool. Now keep in mind, this is a walkout. I love that concept. We're actually just a few steps from the ocean. You can head right on out and enjoy the entire resort. Now keep in mind that your butler amenities extend throughout the resort, so they can assist you around the pool, at the beach. They can take care of all of those details for you. All you have to do is ask. So when you're ready to book this stunning butler level suite or any here at Sandals Halcyon Beach, make sure that you reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. As you can see, we have an incredible relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your wedding group, or honeymoon at an incredible value.